Hello and welcome to this very quick video around 3D printing. Now I have my little 3D printing behind me and it is fantastically useful, not just for the hobby but for around the house, garden, garage and everywhere else. If I need a little part I can draw it and design it and print it out. Now I did this video a couple of weeks ago. This is the DJI analog snap-on adapter, and the way that I publish it on Thingiverse is the two pieces are in one file. And something that I regularly get asked is, oh, how do I split them apart? And I'm making this video to answer that question. The answer is relatively straightforward, but it's not as easy in the latest versions of Cura as it should be. Now, in other things like Mesh Mixer, and these are the slicers that you use to take the file when you download it from Thingiverse to create the G-code that you put onto the 3D printer that actually prints a thing. Cura is the one that I use. If I show you the Cura that I use on a daily basis, this is really old Cura, but you know what? It works really nicely for me. The settings are all dialed in. So this is Cura 15.04.06. You can still download and install this and do exactly the same on your machine. When I put that 3D print onto the print bed, it doesn't fit, but that's fine because what I can do is I can right click on the file and click split object into parts, and it does that. Now that means that I can then move those separate pieces about. Now if you are using a later version of Cura, you can still install that older version and just use it for the functionality to split it into the individual parts. Things like Mesh Mixer and others have more up-to-date tools. However, if you're using one of the latest versions of Cura, then you'll realize that if you right click that, you don't have that option anymore. And I have no idea why Cura took that away because it's such a handy thing to have. However, you can add it back in. What you need to do is go into the marketplace and download something called Mesh Tools. Once Mesh Tools has been downloaded, then you will need to restart Cura. And then when you go back into it with the object selected, go into the extensions menu, into the Mesh Tools menu, and in there is split model into parts. Select that, it'll split it into the parts and you can move them around the print bed. Hopefully that helps those of you that are a little bit stuck. That's how you do it. If you're ever stuck with things like this, your best friend is Google. If you Google how to do something, there's probably somebody who's already written the answer. But that's how you do it in the latest versions of Cura. Either download the earlier version and use that to split the model into parts, or just download and install Mesh Tools as an extension and you've got that capability back. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.